This is Italy. But imagine Rome in the year 2050. The ancient heart of Rome could survive, while the city around it becomes incredibly advanced. And Italy's future trains could make traveling between its cities faster than ever. But Rome's biggest transformation may be the way technology blends with its ancient history. Even Venice could become smarter, without losing the beauty of its ancient canals. Italy's famous manufacturing could become even smarter with artificial intelligence. And Milan could become one of Europe's most advanced cities by 2050. Italian homes could produce their own energy and intelligently manage everyday life.
By 2050, Italian classrooms could make learning more personal and intelligent.
Artificial intelligence could also make Italian healthcare faster and more precise. Even Italy's famous farms could use smart technology to produce more sustainably. And when night falls, Italy's ancient history meets the technology of tomorrow. Rome could become smarter while still feeling unmistakably Italian. Italy's beautiful coastline could become cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable. For tourists, exploring Italy could become easier with intelligent technology.
And Italy's famous fashion industry could look completely different in 2050. Even the Italian dining experience could become smarter without losing its traditional soul.
A cleaner energy system could help Italy protect its cities and beautiful countryside. This is the Italy we imagine for 2050, where history and the future live together. And perhaps the most beautiful future of all will be Venice protecting its past while embracing tomorrow. Italy's Mediterranean ports could become cleaner, faster, and almost fully automated. Italy's future won't belong only to its biggest cities. Even Sicily could transform. And we still haven't seen the most surprising part of Italy's future. Technology may change Italy, but its people and culture could remain its greatest strength. Even Italy's mountains could become part of a cleaner and smarter future.
Future trains could connect Italy's cities and mountains faster than ever.
By 2050, Italy could become a powerful center for technology, design, and innovation. But Italy's greatest transformation may be something we haven't imagined yet.
In 2050, reaching another Italian city could take less time than you imagine.
Italy could also use technology to protect its beautiful Mediterranean coast. And even Italy's priceless culture could be experienced in completely new ways. Italy's journey into the future has only just begun, and there is still more to discover. This is our vision of Italy in 2050, where history meets tomorrow. From Rome to Milan, Italy could become a network of smarter cities.
Because even in 2050, Italy's greatest treasure may still be its history and people.
The future is coming, and Italy may be ready for it. What do you think Italy will really look like in 2050? Subscribe to Future Vision TV and tell us which country should enter the future next.